Guys, so ngayon is magkanta tayo walang music. Pak! Naray mo lang. I recall when you said that you would never leave me. You told me more, so much more, like when the time you whispered in my ear. There was heaven in my heart. I remember you said that you will be here forever. Then you laughed without even saying that you're leaving. I was hard. All I really want be is to forget yesterday. I'm afraid that you would say, but there you are, and oh, so far away. I was afraid this time would come. I wasn't prepared to face this kind of hurt and from within. I have learned to live my life beside you. Maybe I just dream of you tonight. And if into my dream you come and touch me once again, I'll just keep on dreaming till my heart exhales.